So we got a couple of new additions to put into the ground. We were out playing around yesterday and stopped by one of the nurseries, and we got a little space here that we wanted to fill up. The missus has got a couple places that she wants to do, but this is what we picked up, and this is where we're planting it. We have, what is that right there? Yeah, Bugloss, Blue Angel. This one's gonna be pretty. And then we got, let's see here, this one is, what is this one? Oh, there you go, Rush. This always makes a good plant. We like that. Orange, we don't have much orange around here. And then this one we have, it is a wand flower. Bella's a dark pink. This is gonna be a pretty one also. And then over here we have Beardedtongue, or Beardedtongue. And this is one I picked out because I actually like these kind of flowers. Reminds me of salvias or even the catmints. So hummingbirds, butterflies. Anyhow, so I'm going to go ahead and dig some holes and put some plants in the ground. And once I'm done, I will show you what we've got. Okay, I just got done planting the last 4 plants. These were the other 2 that we had. We got a white Callas right here, and then we got another burgundy Callas right there. That should go along with this burgundy Callas, and then we got another one, a yellow one out there somewhere. And then right here, we do believe that that is a purple elephant plant. So crossing our fingers, that one comes up. Anyhow, I'm going to plant these ones right here. And as I was saying beforehand, let's walk back over here. And there, the 4 plants are now planted in this particular area. So our pathway is going to go this direction, that we're going to leave to walk and be able to observe and get to the blueberries and so on and so forth. So this is just bordering this up. All right, I will update you as soon as I can. All right, so they are now into the ground. This one over here is called Ivory Art, and this one over here is called Red Chasm. Anyhow, there they are in the ground. All right, you all have a beautiful day.